Welcome to Malang Live Studio. This is the Harbin Malang Technical Development Limited Corporation, and here is our company logo. Now let's have a look at our Malang brand clutch pump, and here is the package for it. Yes, here it shows our Malang original parts, and here is our company logo, and here is the Malangparts. Yes, and also on this side it shows Malang original parts, Russian language, and also the model number on it. Yes, if you want to customize the package together with the product, please don't hesitate to contact with our professional sales. Now, let's have a look at our product. Yeah, here from the surface, we can see it is a very professional treatment, and the quality is very good. And here also the same, yes, very excellent processing, and also the quality is very good. And here on it shows the model number. Yeah, so we can customize many different sizes, many different models of the clutch pump according to your requirements. So if you need the clutch pump, please don't hesitate to contact with us. Okay.